Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We're out here showing the final product of our one pier lift in Oak Grove. This wing wall was leaning down. You'll likely see the videos here later this week showing just how much of a gap there really was separating the wing wall from this section here. So there had been previously one of our competitors attempted to lift this back with 3 of their piers and were unable to raise the wing wall back. So we came in here with one King Pier 2, dug underneath, installed it, and lifted it back up earlier this morning. And then we used another 6x6 treated wood support post and hydraulic bottle jack here on the side, just to make sure we were kind of nudging it back into its proper position. So very nice job here. Nice little 2-day job total on this. So for all your foundation and piering needs, please don't ever hesitate to give us a call. You can always reach us directly at 1-816-288-4373. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always call us or check us out on YouTube and Facebook. Again, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. Thank you.